Car Story research indicates this vehicle as being priced below the average market price. Features also include traction control, satellite radio, rear view camera, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth integration. Make a great choice today with the 2019 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.